Hello everyone. So what you saw was the hardest game possible. Yes, it was. And this is the code for it. Don't you believe? It's intentional. Let me tell you the concept first. So the game choose a choice between heads and tails, and you have to guess what is the result of a flipped coin. It's a 50% chance that you tell it correct, and if you are correct, you will get a 100 points addition, and you have to do it 10 times to reach to a 1000 points. But, if you are wrong at any point between the game, all the points will be deducted to 0. That's my high score you see up there. Yes, it's only 900, after so many attempts and practice, it's still hard to even reach 500 points. At first no one can do it. And do you know why it is the hardest? Check this link in the description, which will tell you the chances of winning. Cause the chances of getting a 50% chance correct in a row are 1 by 2 to the power of n. So in this case you have to reach to a 1000, it means you will have to get 50% chance correct 10 times in a row. So you will have half to the power of 10. Which is this number. It's not any kind of mistake in maths. It is really this number which you have to get. You saw the chances. It's like 0.0009765625, which are so low that it is very hard. Still it is possible though, you can even decrease this number so far that it is impossible. By just adding a 0 to the winning score you can make it almost impossible to win. Cause the chances will be like 0.00 and 28 more zeros than an 8. Which is technically impossible by human brain to get a 50% chance correct a 100 times in a row. And you know what? I beat it while recording this. Which is first in the whole human history. Let us try once again. And here it is. It was really unexpected. And I was shocked, froze, and excited at this moment. The winning screen didn't activated because I increased the 0. Which is very sad, to me at least. So how does the game actually works? I made it like the chances of getting heads and tails are also random to even the AI. Let me show you. First I will show how to create a GUI. And it's only Python and tkinter. Just import tkinter. Set window as tk and then main loop. And done. Here is your first GUI window, which makes the interface much better. You can add text and even decorate as I did. And sorry cuz, I'm still learning, so I could also make mistakes. You can add the title of your window and much more. If you want I can make another video on this topic only. So in my game, the game choose a random number, between 1 to 100. And if the number is even, it marks as the coin is flipped as tails, and else if the random number is odd it marks it as heads. If you understand, it's not that hard. But it just makes the game complicated. So, this is it. And try it by yourself, and I don't think that anyone will be able to win this. The whole code is in the description. And the code is also not that long. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you have any queries, you are really free to ask them in the comment section or the Discord, link in the description. I will answer you every time, and also, source code is in the description. Bye and see you soon.